Right, in this one I'm going to show you how to rotate your helical head blades in the Axminster jointer thicknesser. First thing you got to do when you're changing blades in any tools, just make sure you switch it off and make sure you're nice and safe. Right, and at the back of the thicknesser you've got a little threaded lever here that you just need to loosen that off. That will allow you to remove the fence. Now we'll head back over to the front of the machine where we've got a lever on either side that you lift up and pull away. This allows you to lift up the in-feed and out-feed table. Now that you've got all the blades exposed, you can see that they're numbered 1 to 4 in each corner. Each corner represents one side of the blade where you've got a cutting edge. In this direction, on the top left, is going to be the number that you're now using. These are all already on number 2 as I've rotated them once before. Now I'm just going to go ahead, loosen them off, rotate them 90 degrees anti-clockwise and tighten them back down. When I'm doing this, I like to start from one side, work my way all the way across, rotate the blades, start from the same side, work my way all the way across. Do this on all 4 sides until all the blades are changed. Now when I bought the machine, it actually came with 4 spare blades in case you get any major chips in any of the teeth. Luckily I haven't had to actually replace any as of yet, so I've still got those fresh in the box. It also came with 3 of the correct size star head bits, so you can use that to change the blades. I use my impact driver for the next step. Just use the star bit that they provide, and when I'm loosening the screws off, you don't want to just pull the trigger and just go as fast as it can. Just loosen it off very slowly, rotate it 90 degrees and then tighten it back down. I'll give you a bit of a closer look here, so I'll just loosen that off. Like I say, don't go crazy with it, loosen it off, turn it 90 degrees anti-clockwise and then just tighten it back down. Don't over tighten it at this step either, because you can also snap the screws and that will just make it horrible for everyone. Now when putting the in-feed and out-feed table back into place, you've got to lift up the little toggle at the back, pull it down towards you and then lock it into place by pushing a little lever in and down. Same thing on the other side. Toggle, lever, in, and then down. Then we'll get the fence put back into place. You just do that the opposite of how you took it off. Just slide it in, push it back, tighten it most of the way up so you can get the toggle all the way round. Then push it all the way back where you want it, tighten it into place and it won't move. Switch back on and we'll give it a test. Now when you've got nice sharp blades in it, you'll probably get between 120 and 150 grit finish straight off the machine. It leaves a nice smooth finish. I would highly recommend this jointer thicknesser to anyone who's in the market for one. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped and you'll see me in the next one.